Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen, where I do everything lifestyle. Today I want to do a hair tutorial. Now I know I mentioned on my previous video that styling my hair has been a struggle, but I did not give up. Okay, so I did do this lovely swoop bun situation that you see right here, and it did not take a long time that I thought it would. I just put my mind to it and I got it done. Now the products and tools that I used, I did use this for edge control here, and I also use it, I like this for edge control because I really don't have to lay my edges down with a scarf when I do use it. Now I do have a couple of ponytail holders. The rest of them is in my head, so I can't show you what else I used. And I did use a smaller one. And I do have about quite a few large hairpin and bobby pins that I did use. It's just best practice to keep these on stock, you know. So, and I also did moisturize my hair with my little leave-in conditioner and water as well. I did that. It just makes it easier to work with as well. So let's get right into the video.
Look, okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces bustin' out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces bustin' out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a new life is something like a dream. New life is something like a I am not friendly, I came for the paper, little baby, don't get it confused. I see them paying to play, they be paying for my I'm paying my dues. They cannot see me unless I'm on TV in times when they happen to turn on the news. I am not worried about with the money, cause you cannot buy with all of them views. I've been on 10 like 4th grade. Same but I'm more paid. Lame throwing more shade, but you know it don't faze me. I'm blowing out gas to the whole whip hazy. With a new chick cause my old crazy. Just a young player that the west side made me. But how could you blame me and how could you tame me? You can't pop in that you claim you a saint. Do what they can and they hate what they ain't. But I am the greatest, that ain't for debate. Raising the stakes and I'm eating them too. Hitters on deck, what you need them to do. All that talking, I leave it to you. Cause I gotta go, got a meeting at 2. Tell me why all of the that you saying don't never match up with that that you do. We mobbing and thugging, you and then bugging. There's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper. Got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces bustin' out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces bustin' out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a new life is something like a dream. New life is something like a blue faces bustin' on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces bustin' out the scene. New life is something like a dream. I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces bustin' out the scene. New life is something like a dream.
cute little bun with a nice swoop to the side. Now I did tuck my hair, the ends, into the bun because it's easier for my length. Now if you've made it to this part of the video, you might as well subscribe. And until next time, bye.